Kate from SewCraftCook. Today I wanted to show you how to use the iron-on hem tape that comes in your sewing kit. I've got here a beautiful dress, but unfortunately part of the hem's come undone. As you can see here, you can't see the stitching where this dress has been made. So it's super hard at home to actually sew that so that you can't see your stitching. The best alternative is to use hemming tape. So we'll pop that underneath. Just measure it up roughly. It's only just this gap that's come apart. Snip your hem tape. Pop it underneath the line of your hem. Now if your fabric's a little bouncy, you may want to use some pins just to hold it in the right place. But we'll just do a little bit at a time. It's also fabric that actually will melt if I pop a hot iron on it. So I'm just going to use a cloth over the surface that can handle that heat to make sure we don't damage our fabric. Pop your iron on top. I'll just give it a little test. Just wait a second to make sure that it's not too hot to test. Yep, looking good. Go to the next section. Once again, place your fabric over the surface. Enough time to bond. And go to the end. Just stick that under a little bit there. And that's the last patch. And there we have it.